cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here on a Saturday night, guys. We actually came to the valley today, 818. We came to see, there's a good amount of people right here, as I can see. Good amount of people. The spot looks a little sketchy and I love it though. Really low key.
Get raped.
Yeah. The helicopter just passed by like nothing, guys. And there's a theater right there. Alright guys, we're on our way right now. It appears that we're going into the mountains, right?
Yeah, the mountains.
Oh hell yeah. That's smart, that's smart. No cops showed up to the first location. We have no cops or chopper following us as well, guys. Alright guys, we just got to the second location right now. It's packed, guys. They're doing it it's like in a hill, but it's like an intersection type of stuff. So there's houses, there's a bunch of cars, takeovers. And so yeah, it's looking really good. It's like good amount of cars too, guys. I'm working on my legs right now too, cause like it's uphill. So it's like a little workout type of shit. All right, we got 2 cars swinging already, guys. It's getting wild out here, guys. It's crazy right now. It's crazy. Southbank, you're missing out. You're missing out. Come on. Oh, hey, but it was hell. Oh, cops just showed up, guys. Cops just showed up. Oh, what? It's lit out here. We got a girl up there. Look, I don't even know how she got out there. Oh, listen. Oh, damn, that's quick. That is quick, guys. That is some quick stuff right there. Oh, like 3 seconds. Oh, it's lit right now. All right, guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cops in the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cops, guys. Oh, I have to pass through this, guys. It's wild right now, guys. Like really wild. Multiple cop cars, guys. Multiple cop cars. Holy smoke! So many cops, guys. Look at this. They're getting off, guys. I never seen so many cars before, guys. Look at this. So crowded, guys. I feel like the whole department just came, guys, out of nowhere. Guys, they're arresting some girl right there right now. I don't know what she did, but the whole cops just blocked it all in, guys. So everybody that got stuck up there is getting arrested right now and getting a ticket, guys. Wow. Okay, I need to get out of here. My ride just left me, so I gotta go back now. We pulled up to the 3rd location, guys. There was already cops. Right now we're going to the 4th location, but we already seen like a cop pass by through the train tracks. So it's getting really hot out here in the valley right now, guys. White Dodge Charger, they got him, guys. Just pull up to the 3rd spot. There's a lot of cops.
Heated, bro.
Cops are going after the black one too now. Damn.
What happened?
Dude, we're just gonna dip.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'll try. I'll give it like a 1 spot.
Oh, hell no. Watch out, there's that cop right here, fool. And this dude was doing a donut right here. There you go. We're out here at a random ass parking spot right here, guys, and they're burning out in the middle right here. Dude, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, hell no. Chupala! Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops, guys. We were able to enjoy this spot a little bit. Quieto, pendejo. We're pulling up to the next location, guys. They're already burning out. We got a chopper in the air, guys. Oh, we got the fireworks. Hey, that's right. Hey, watch out, buddy. So I had my homie stop right here because look at the view right here, guys. We're literally one of the bridges that takes you right into downtown LA, guys. Look at that. All right, guys, check this out. We're super up close and personal to the King Kong building, man. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, guys, so we're on top of the two-way 2nd Street tunnel. Hey, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and join the KF Gang family, baby. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm letting go.
Oh shit. Oh dude. There's cars passing, chill. Oh my god, if you would have fell, he would have gotten your ass.
Alright, guys, so he's about to attempt to do the splits. You think you're gonna do it the first try or not?
I probably could do it the first try.
Oh hell yeah. Alright, let's give you some light. Let's give you some good ass lighting. Alright, get hyped and get ready. Oh, he's doing it. No, dude. Oh, stop. Oh, that was sick, dude. That was fucking sick.
I did.
Yeah, that was sick. Dude, the penis where you were doing that shit. Oh, you just bounced all over it. Sick ass fool. Dude, it has dude. Oh shit, look, and it has sperm. What?
Oh, it's like a cloud.
Dude, what that, dude, so, okay, so that looks like sperm to me, but if that is supposed to be a cloud, is that supposed to be a blunted?
That's a nose.
What is that? Oh, wait a minute. I know what it is. It's Squidward tentacles. Let's see if we can find SpongeBob now.
Oh man.
He has a girlfriend. Just one, because I had said multiple, but he made me retake it. Because le pegan. Hey, this is the homie though. He's gonna be coming out more in my vlogs. Me and this fool, like, we have good vibes all around. Hey, George, don't wait, easy.
No, you did.
Easy me. You're not me, bro. Easy. Dude, I wonder what's inside that. Would you go into the bathroom?
No.
If that's just in the middle of the woods, would you go in there?
I'll just take this shit in the woods.
True.
Yeah,
true.
there's no one there.
I'll low-key take a shit on the side of it. I don't know. Just on the fucking side of it.